Okay, this is a follow-up to my previous video. I guess I'll try to link it. Boy, I don't know how to do that. But anyway, so this is a follow-up on Chen and how I am using Google Calendar to organize myself. So there we have it. Here's Chen on Sunday morning. So I'm just going to close this up and find my calendar. Okay, what's that? Okay, click here. Oh, this is the app from. All right, Google Calendar. Where is it? Google Calendar. Okay, so that opens up to today. Okay, and I have my event here, 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. So let's just click on it. So what I have done, so I've uploaded my photos. I'll just show you here. So what I have linked here into Google Sheets, my first blue link here, is his lesson plan and rubric. And I have a note to myself here. This is an older rubric. It has no colors, so spend 10 minutes on it. And then the official OCKs, the official kids report. That's where I make his report card. And then here, at the bottom here, you can see that I'm saying that I've got my, oops, oh goodness gracious, let me just go back to that. No, calendar. Okay, so I access the link, so it jumped to it. So it says start as Unit 6, Feelings, Lesson 2, Words and Structures, Screenshots uploaded. So let's just go to that. Now I don't use my phone, I use my laptop, but because I can open up several pages. I'll open up the top link, and because it's all linked up, it wants to jump like that. Let's go back to Google Calendar. So I'll open up both of those, and then I'll work in unison. So I'll read off my laptop and look at those photos. So let's have a look at that album. Starters, Unit 6, Feelings. I don't know why it's jumping. Anyway, Starters, Unit 6, Feelings, Lesson 2. Okay, so I can open it up. Now there you can see all the photos. And I will say, I'm reading them on my laptop, but all my teacher's notes are saved. I've cleaned this up a little bit. And I'm missing some slides because I was recording and talking and thinking at the same time. But there you can see all my teacher's notes are saved, and they are not in the app. So even if the student doesn't have that particular class, everything for me is saved. All the teacher's notes are saved, and I can go back and finish that. That lesson plan anyway. So I'll have 2 lesson plans out of once, and that's exactly what has happened here. So down at the bottom in here, it says this lesson plan needs to be fixed. So it is lesson 1. Now I hadn't finished it. I'm almost finished it. It says I've done 17 out of 25 slides, and I have fixed it. So my lesson plans are also improving all the time. Now, is there anything else I want to? Let me just share with you. Let me take you to this lesson plan at the bottom, because it's one I'm working on. It's only going to take a few minutes. To open, and I'll show you what I mean. There we go. So it's a lesson plan. So all the teacher's notes are there. I have this open again on my laptop, and this is a scoring rubric. This is what they're doing to get a score of 1 to 4. And then I already have everything mapped out. So they get a total points and a percentage as well. And it says here I'm prepared up to 17. So you can see here there's a few more I have to do. And then I have also prettied it up. So whatever the teacher says is in yellow. And whatever, I have minimized what we have to say to the students. Some of the things that are repetitive, like the clap and say lesson. Yes, show me your hands, jump up and down. Show me your hands. Come on, I need to see your hands. If they really need to do it, sometimes if they I know they already are able to say it, then I might skip it if I'm checking the time, or I'll just have them say it. But that total physical response, that getting your body, getting moving, getting your blood circulation going, that's important. And the song Let's Start Working, I just keep it that way for myself for all my slides. It's a lovely little break. Again, I get up and I get dancing and singing and looking and clapping. And the kids are just staring at me most of the time if they're new, but some of the kids inspired me to actually be doing that. So I get quite active. So there you have it. So I have this lesson plan as well linked up that, I can share easily with anybody around the world. And I am interested in doing that so people can help and get lesson plans together. I spend a lot of time making these, and they're easy to share. Do you have to know Google? Do you have to be familiar with Google Sheets? Do you have to be familiar with Google Photos? Yes, of course. Can I make videos on that? Yes, I'll probably have to do that. And I will. I can make videos on my laptop, so I can do that. Okay, so there we go, a 6-minute video. Now I'm going to go back to, there we go. So all those things are linked up. The slashes, once again, means I haven't done it. Let me close this here and go to today's lesson. This is what's pretty. So today I have a lesson with Jack at 3 o'clock. Let me open that up. Now you see that? X means I have prepared. X means I know that's the 8th lesson. X for lesson 4, unit 7, the lesson 6 review, I'm done. It's a lesson plan and a rubric. Okay. It says I've prepped 2 of 17. That's probably a mistake. Let's just open it up. So if I have that 2 of 17, there's a question mark that goes up. And, oh boy, so I shouldn't be X'd out. Okay, I better check that. Ooh, I didn't know. Okay, so you see, there you have it. I need to get into and check and finish this lesson plan. And I do my lesson plans. I actually talk. I use the Google speech to talk now. So to do this particular lesson plan takes me 5, 6, 7 minutes. I don't do any typing anymore, very, very little. I've learned how to use Google Docs, and I have a page open that's text to speech, and you get used to that. And it's taken me just a few days. But anyway, I better get back to work. So this is correct in these things. Let me see. This should not be an X. Whoops, cancel. What says editing the notes will result in formatting and style being okay. I don't do anything on my phone, so that's new to me. So I'm not going to edit there. But I now know that I got to finish Jack's lesson. But when I do, so again, I can go to the screenshots. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, save, sorry. Where's Jack again? I can see that my lesson 7.6, I can go there. Aha. And all my photos are there. So it takes minutes to actually get ready. Even if I'm not relying on my phone anymore. So there you have it. Let's get rid of Jack. So let me actually do something else. So Sam. Okay, Sam, I know I've finished everything. So 16 out of 16 here means I've finished everything. I've got half his report card done. Screenshots uploaded. Lesson plan done. I'm happy with it. I know I've redone it. I know it's his 9th lesson. So there you go. There you have it. That's how I prepare for my lessons. Righto, cheerio. I certainly hope that's useful for you. I am looking for people who want to start collaborating with me, and that's why I'm making these videos. All right, cheers. Let me know in the comments. I could say the skills that I'm using in order to do all this. I've been using Google Drive and everything for a while. So if you need to know something, just let me know. If you want to partake, that's great. It's better 5 people making lesson plans, talking about them, sharing that, because you can have a lesson plan open and I can have a lesson plan open. I can say, why did you do this? There's a chat feature right there. Why are you doing this? I'm not saying my method is the best. You know, that's what collaboration is all about. Two heads together are way better than one. Five heads together are you know, worth a lot of money because we can save time. Now it takes me a few minutes to get a lesson prepared. So there's lots of things that I want to talk about. Right, so that's enough for this little vid. Thank you very much. All right, cheers.